Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can change your name on X. It's actually quite a straightforward process. I'm going to show you on the desktop and on the mobile device as well. So as I get into it, smash the like button and let's jump right down into the tutorial. So here we have x.com and we just want to navigate all the way down to where it says more here on the left hand side. You can see that I'm actually a little bit in the way there, but you're just going to click that and then we're going to click on settings and privacy. From here you have account information. If you give that a click, that's going to take you up into this section right here where you have your username. If you give that a click, this is where you can essentially go ahead and change your username on the desktop. It is honestly as easy as that. You might have to log in to verify who you are to do so, and of course it has to be a unique user ID. So again, you're going to have to go ahead and try lots of different combinations depending on your kind of naming conventions. Okay, but that's how you would do it on the desktop. So let's go ahead and jump down into the mobile device and I'll show you how to do it on an iPhone and Android device. Okay guys, so here we are on the X app. The first thing we want to do is click on our icon at the top right, top left even. And if we scroll down to where we can see settings and privacy, we give that a click. This is going to load up all of your settings. In here, we want to click on your account. From there, it's account information, and then of course your username at the top. Once you've done that, you basically have access to the exact same settings that you would have on the web, but on the mobile device, and you can change the name. Again, it's going to be a unique identifier, so you're going to have a unique username, and so obviously you'll have to try several different combinations until you get the name that is suitable for A, your preference, but also B, hasn't already been taken on the platform. But guys, it is as easy as that to essentially change your username on X. If you found this useful and informative, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and if you haven't done so, you might actually want to check out that video right there. It's one you probably don't want to miss.